Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia, and it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday here. So, on that sort of Tuesday, Wednesday move, not been a lot, but anyway. Okay, welcome, Tom.
Hey, Brian. Morning.
Yeah. Good day. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as edge cash only. That's because we're a group of people help each other and we're not financial advisors. So please don't take trades you have to take based on your own analysis. There is a forced disclosure, a little bit about us as live session traders. Um, Good. All right, let's go look at pairs. No. Okay, so what have we got here? Yeah, AUD CAD. So it seems to be just bunching up at the moment. Up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Not really sort of doing too much at the moment. I'm still in quite positive on all the trades I'm in, so it's all right. Just pull back that bit. Um, what's I going to say? Oh yeah, I may not be on tomorrow morning, Tom. Like end of the week, I've got going to be out late, so might not might not be a big thing in the morning to motivation to get up. Unfortunately, we'll just see how we go.
Well, uh, should I just plan on not being here? Because you're the only reason I'm
Um,
here. So,
yeah, no, 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 I know that.
do you just want to call it now and say I'm sleeping in tomorrow?
Yeah, I might need to do that.
All right.
Because
Because
is
then,
that
because
late
then
and
if you
they'll get
decide you're
late
going to
again?
come on and I'm going to miss it, it's like,
No, let's call it at the moment.
okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
All right then, good. Okay, so AD CAD. And look, it's the end of the week and that sort of stuff. Okay. It's okay. We're holding trades or not. Um, I don't think there's a lot of news. Oh, what's this in that? Here we go. Rate decision. So 12th of August. So next week. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, Tuesday. Radio. Okay. I think it's just shuffling along until we get something like that to happen. Is there any other rate decisions on? No. Balance? No. Unemployment. Okay. Radio. Um, I think from that point of view, I'll have the sellout from there. But anyway, I might be just jumping around between there. So also to AUD CHF, that's just pulled up a little bit further again. You can see here on the with all of the bricks, we're getting this sort of like clump happening. There's no sort of like flow or anything. Um, yeah, and it's still but below the white, below the red. I think we'll potentially have a further sellout. Well, it may kick up before then, but that's sort of what I think will potentially happen. AUD JPY, it's turned and come back up. Now, potentially this will be a bit of a buy for a, a short while. We'll have to get ready to get out of it from the sell. Even though I've got a short there, this pullback up is, no, I think that's just bounced, yeah. But you're not calculating to get in for any buy because you think it'll come up and then just drop off, Tom?
Yeah. Yes, I already have myself set up underneath that last wick.
Yeah, okay. 10 through here. All right
Yeah.
then. Okay.
So wherever this pulls up and creates a gold bar from
Yeah.
that low to that high back to the 88 somewhere, or even, the 618 from that location, wherever it drops
Hmm.
that gold bar, I'm looking for a sellout.
Yeah, okay. And I agree with that too. Okay. AUDNZD, this is the annoying one. I don't know yet what it's going to do, whether it'll break the high or whether it'll just push back down and break the low. I'm just going to have to wait for some more indicate, for a gold bar. Um, I think it'll sell out, but I think you've got more of a buy up though. Have you, Tom, your forecast for it?
Yeah, I'm forecasted to come back up to that gold bar to the left where the red
Yeah,
started,
this one
right
here,
there.
yeah.
So I'm looking at that just to pull back up real quick
And then
and
drop
then
off.
push down. Yes.
Okay, right.
All the
Yeah,
way back down to this gold bar that doesn't have any, that one right there.
yeah. Yeah, I don't know yet. I'm going to wait for what it's
Oh, me
going to
too.
do.
Absolutely.
Okay, no
It's either
worries.
going to follow my plan or I'm not taking the trade.
Yeah,
That's it.
love
That's
it.
it.
All right, AD Singapore, which you don't trade. Oh, that's doing nicely. Where is it here? Hang on. I'm probably still way off on. Yeah, it's 34 pips off the entry. Let's reevaluate this one. All right. Yeah, okay. I'm still in there for that to come up and then sell off. Okay. No, it's okay where I've got it. Fine. All right, AUD USD. Yeah, it's just pulling up
Come
that
on back
bit.
up.
Yeah, come on back out.
Just
That's
sit
right.
here like a stalking
Come
butler.
up and then ready. Well, so this will be a swing high. This will be a
Yeah.
swing high, and then we'll get a sell back out.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I really
But
don't
that
care where the next gold bar is, even if it breaks
okay,
structure upward.
it's on Wednesday.
I
Yeah.
know it's gonna. I know it's gonna turn here any moment.
Mm. Have you got a sell stop already in place?
No, it's got to come back up further for me.
A little bit further. Okay. And so you
Yeah.
can get a tighter stop on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
you see the white bar you have? That's the
Yeah,
last.
yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
last
yeah.
high before the move. So I'm looking
Yep.
for it to come up anywhere
So
above that 618 gold bar to the left.
uh you mean the 88 there?
I'm sorry, you're correct. The 88.
Yeah,
So
just above
anywhere
it.
above that gold bar and
Yeah.
that
Touch that
and
maybe and
that
then drop
bar,
out.
white bar, and then let it drop out,
Yeah,
or at
okay.
least start working its way down.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you can have a stop on with one brick and yeah, okay. No worries. All right. CAD CHF. Yeah, I'm not fussed on that one at the moment. I think this will sell out.
Me too.
It's just playing at the moment. Okay.
So I have my fib set up just like you do.
Yeah.
See the 618?
You think it'll pull up further? It could
Oh, absolutely. It's gonna pull up. It's gonna pull up pretty sharp, actually.
come up to the trend line and then drop off.
Or take that white box, tap the outside of the
Yeah.
rail, and then push out because we're still downtrending. And if
Yeah.
this pushes down further, then that means your long here was a lie.
Yeah. Which often they are. Oh, not often. Sorry. That short really pushed it, but that was a news event. Mm. Let's see if it comes up and breaks that high up here. Sometimes tell me these. Yeah. It's just dancing around this trend line. It's whether it comes up to the other one or not. Okay. Gotcha. All right. KJ. Oh. That may come down further. Hmm. Look at it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a pullback here.
Hmm. I think, oh yeah, maybe it'll even go further, push down further before it does pull back up.
When I say a
Hmm.
pullback, I'm talking about a candle with a wick.
Oh yeah, okay.
That's it.
Hmm.
Because that's either
Like,
going to be the
like, like what it did just there. See that one? Candle with the wick up
no,
there.
no, more like
That over here.
that one.
Hmm.
Exactly. See the
Okay.
candle with the wick?
Yeah,
I'm in
yeah.
on the next. I'm in on the next brick.
Okay.
It may fail there, whatever. But but you have to remember, you only get the wicks when you intend on breaking something.
Yeah, okay. Breaking structure.
Breaking a brick.
Ah, okay. Yeah. And what you see over here on the daily is then a pull up with a wick on it as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's what
For
I'm saying.
10.
I just need some sort of pullback at this white line,
Yeah.
whether it be a wick or even a brick and a pullback, whatever the case
Hmm.
is.
Hmm.
I'm getting
But
in.
they also have a gold brick too.
No, that's what I'm
No,
saying. If I
just
get one brick with a wick,
ah,
I'm
okay. It
taking the
doesn't
next
have to,
candle and I'm in.
right. It doesn't have to be a gold brick. Okay.
Right. Because we're going to
Because
continue
yeah, yeah,
down.
down.
So if we're going to
So if there's a
continue down, we're going to go down pretty far down to this white
yeah,
box
yeah,
down
yeah,
here
yeah.
that you've drawn
But
out.
but if we don't have a gold brick, that means it is continuing down. Where if you have a gold brick, it means it's going to do a pullback.
Correct.
Hmm. Okay. So we're looking for a brick with a wick. Okay. All right. No,
No, a
Darren.
brick or a wick. If it's just a brick with a wick, we're
Yeah.
just continuing down. So take the
Yeah.
next
Yeah.
brick down.
Yeah.
If there is a gold brick here,
Yeah.
we
No, it's
wait for the pullback for it to
back.
create
Yeah.
a new gold brick.
Yeah. Yeah. So then go down. Yeah.
So then it'll
Okay.
go down.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
No
When you see that pullback and it taps that white line, it's probably going to tap that gold brick sitting right above it. See the
yeah.
middle one?
Yeah. 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 The middle one. That's right.
So
Hmm.
that's where I'm going to put my limit order on, and it
Hmm.
should tap me in. If it just continues down another brick and then
Yeah.
does the wick and misses it, I'll just continue down with that
Yeah.
candle
With that candle.
until
Yeah.
it gives another brick.
Mm.
But I'm looking into getting into the most positive place I can be to pick up the biggest trade possible. And
Yeah.
if it taps me in, fantastic. If it doesn't, fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't matter then. That's right.
But I'm looking at after hours, it being that close to that gold brick. I can see it just being a candle, a brick with a wick that taps that and pushes off.
Mm. Yeah.
And
Okay.
then we continue down.
Hmm.
That's why I'm saying even if I just get a brick with a wick, I'm getting in.
Yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay. All right. Well, I need to look at what I do. Just a heads up, Darren. I'm planning on not being on tomorrow morning, your evening. Okay.
Okay, no worries.
Just the end of the week. It's just I'm a bit I'm out. Yeah, I'm out picking up a grandson late, so I
Yeah.
get home. This morning I was like, it was hard to get up. So I just think like, oh, let me just take it easy tomorrow. All right, and so I'll be back again your Sunday evening. And all right, now CHF JPY, same situation, same situation, exactly.
Right.
No
Except
different.
this one has a brick.
A
So
brick
now I
below.
know there's going to be a pullback of
Yeah.
some sorts.
Yeah.
And I'm looking for a further push down.
Hmm. Yeah, but there's no gold brick there though. A gold indicator.
Well, not on yours.
Oh, there is on yours.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I have a gold
Okay.
brick. I know
Yeah.
there's going to be a pullback.
Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. Yeah. Well, see, I'm not seeing that, so that you, yeah, tell us what you. Okay, no worries. Right, your AD. Oh God. Now, you know what? I think this all opposite to what some of this sort of like, lower high, lower low. I think this is going to break the high. Well, that'll probably be next week. Oh yeah, too, Darren, the interest rate thing's on the 12th next week.
Okay.
It'll be funny if they don't change it, but anyway. I'm not, I'm gonna, yeah. Hmm. Really should have got him back down in here. Have you got any gold indicators here, Tom?
Where it's at now?
Yeah, correct.
No, it's still pushing
Still
up.
pushing up. Okay. Let me get these two. But yeah, I want to get into it at the moment. I think it'll break this high here, do a pullback, and then go and break that high. I think we're on the way up. Cross over there, pull back, danced around. Now it's ready to go. We'll look at some of the other euros anyway. Okay. Um, yeah, it's not giving me what I need yet to get in. EuroCAD, I should have got in earlier. Same as this. I think this will break the high. This will break that, pull back, and then push back up again. I don't know if I think this will continue on. Where are you with it, Tom? You're not in any trade with it.
I'm waiting to get my gold brick where it's going to turn right here. We're going to push down for a while.
Yeah.
We have a high on the higher time frames. We got a lower high
Yeah, I
on the
know.
week. You've had your 1, 2, 3 count across the tops. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Push down, broke structure, pulled back.
Mm,
It's in the 88.
yeah.
I'm just looking for some sort of push down. Has to stay below the middle gold bar.
Yeah, this one.
Yep. Keep going down. And I'll catch it when the two trend lines cross.
Okay. I'm looking at this to push up. Okay, I think the Euros grabbing back a bit of strength now. Euro CHF. Whoa, what a move. 63 pips on days. Okay. Yeah, wow, look how many bricks it created. It come down, touch 88. Look at that. And off it went.
Yep.
Another one, I think. I think the Euros are going to start taking off for the moment anyway. I'm just late to the party on these. Too much. Okay, Euro GBP again. Another big push up. I think that'll break that high, pull back, and then go on again. I think we're up on the uptrend on that one. Euro JPY, the same. Oh, gosh. Come on. They look like swing highs to break back down, but I don't know. I think it's going to come up and break the high again. Somehow the Euro's found a lot of strength. Euro NZD. I know, Singapore, sorry. Again, against that, that's going to break the top out there now. Right. Euro USD. They do it. Euro NZD, Andy.
No, you skipped that one.
No, skipped it. Sorry. Euro NZD. Look at that pushing up as well. That's going to break the top. I reckon that's going further. Absolutely. Look at that. Have you got any gold on that yet, Tom? No, it's still pushing up.
Uh, no, it's still pushing up.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Yeah, USD. Whoa. Yeah. All euro is still pushing up. I think they're going to push up and out the top. Every one of them. All right. I'm just too late to them at the moment. GPAUD. Blech. Nothing. I think it's going to sell. Simplistically looking at it anyway. It's now got a gold bar and it's just shuffling around at the moment. This will be the interest rate stuff. Come on, what's this one? Oh, 7th. That's today. You're tomorrow,
Mhm.
Darren.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's look for a sellout at that. What do you think?
Well, it looks like it's predicted, isn't it? So, doesn't it?
May not.
So it might, it could just be already sort of built in, as it were. But
Yeah.
noon tomorrow. Um,
Well, Tommy, we got to you got to put a fib on it. It looks like it might want to come back up, but maybe it will. Rate decision, bang, push, and then back down again and break the bottom.
I mean, it's not been going anywhere for a few days, as though it's waiting.
Nah, waiting for
Waiting.
the decision.
Yeah, you got the big wicks, top and bottom of each candle, so
Yeah.
it'll do something, even if it's just market manipulation, pretending it's reacting to the rate
Do the right
decision.
decision.
Yeah, even though they know what the decision is going to be. Assuming if it's any different to what the prediction is, then that's
Then
when
it'll, yeah. You're not suggesting that this market's manipulated at all, do you?
well, maybe I'm being a bit cynical there,
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
All right. GBP CAD. Well, that pushed itself back up. We've got to change there.
So all the GBPs have pushed up today, aren't they? So they're getting ready to
Ah,
drop them tomorrow.
gee. GA hasn't. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Getting ready to
Yeah.
factor in the drop. Okay. Yeah, GCAD. I don't know if it'll break up in like went 1, 2. You might get another and then push back down again. All right, GBP CHF. Yeah, come on. Have you got a gold on there yet, Tom, on the
No,
GBP
not yet.
CHF? Not yet. Okay.
Nope.
So it could break that, push up to the white, and then drop off. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not going to predict which way the British pound will go.
Well, I'm
I think,
looking to definitely sell out.
yeah, okay. Oh, good. It's been selling for a bit. It's just sort of settled down and consolidated for a week or so. Um, I hope it does sell out. That'd be nice. All right, GJ. Okay.
Yep. GN.
That else. GN.
Oh,
No,
they're just out of
GJ.
order. That's fine.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay.
JKL. Yeah, no. Yours are out of order, you mean?
Mine's out of order?
Yeah, because J comes before N.
Huh, you're right.
I looked at it and went, oh, am I wrong? So,
So GJ?
yeah, GJ. Yeah, look, it's doing this little push up here. Just popped out of the trend line, but I think this may be the one that's different to the rest of them, the rest of the British pounds. I'm not going to call this at the moment. It looks like it's going to sell out, but just I'm not comfortable with it at the moment. The take a trade. GN. Rightio. There you go. Yeah, it's on the turn. That's gonna sell out further. You got a wick up there. We've got a gold indicator. Price is slightly above. I think it'll drop back down. And look at this on the daily non-event. It went up, it went down, it wicked everywhere, and it's still in the middle. Just not. What do we got as in? What's that one? That was Wednesday at least. Okay. Oh, well, it is moving, just not making a decision yet. All right. DVP Singapore, you don't trade it, so I can work out here what I'm going to do. Got no gold bar there. Already broken structure. Pull down here. I'll wait for gold bar. I can't see it pulling back up even. It might a bit. Then we'll see if the rate decision if it drops out. Okay, GU.
I'm in the buy for this one.
Yeah, for the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Keep your mouse close. Keep the mouse close because I think we're
Yeah,
yeah
I'm only buying it back up to that
up
gold
to
bar at the top.
yeah.
Not the very
Oh,
top, this middle one.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's not got that far to go.
Yeah, it'll give
Three
me
or four.
4% though.
Yeah, no, that'd be all right. You're already in it, so that's good. Yeah, all right. Okay, NZD CAD. How you going, Darren? How are those EAs behaving?
All right, yeah, yeah.
That's good.
FX Prox is in a bit of drawdown at the minute, but the others are all right. So,
Yeah, that one tends to be
oh, it does, yeah, yeah.
pulling a lot of.
It's had a strong
But then,
start.
but then the one that one that actually does more drawdown actually has necessarily, it's riskier, but it also has a greater sort of profit
Yeah,
outcome.
yeah, it does.
Yeah. And that's on the way back up too. Yeah, no real decision on that.
I mean, you say it's riskier. It didn't get into trouble like sharpshooters did.
No, true.
It stayed out of those.
Oh, is it still running Euro USD as well?
Yeah,
Oh,
same
okay.
pair, yeah.
Just a different
But it's
strategy. So
Euro
it stay.
USD, Euro USD, and AUD USD.
Ah,
It's those
okay.
two pairs, yeah.
Okay.
So there was a winning trade on AUD USD today, but I say it's in 5% drawdown now on Euro USD.
Hmm.
It did
Hmm.
come back at one point, was in profit, and I could have intervened and closed them out, but
But
didn't.
but but you don't. That's right.
I could have done, and I think that's what I'd probably do. If I just happen to be online and it's something like that, it's been in drawdown and there are a number of positions open. It's in sort of recovery mode, and it's in a you know it's sort of recovered, but obviously not quite hit TP or something. I should just close them really. Take the take
In
the
profit.
opportunity.
Take
Yeah,
it and
take
run.
the opportunity and close them out. So I will
Hmm.
do that in future. Anyway,
Okay. NZDCHF. Also pull up. Yeah, get ready. Get ready for a sellout on that one. I think that like NZD CAD, I think that will sell out as well. But it's doing a little pull up at the moment, so not quite ready. Okay, NZD JPY. Mm. Hey Tom,
Yep.
now back up to the 88. Let's see. Have you got a goal there yet? No, it would be
I have a
too...
I have a lower high on
Yeah,
the
yeah.
higher time frame where we're
Okay.
at right now. It just gave me a gold bar.
It did. Okay.
Yeah. So I have my fib set there and push your fib up because that's the first push.
Uh, you want this where up here somewhere.
Yeah, at the first push.
Yeah.
No, not there, Brian.
Where do
Put
you
your
want it?
fib up.
Up further?
Yeah, to the first push.
Uh,
Right there where the gold bar is. Where it's at now.
here.
Yeah, inside. There you go. So now I'm
Okay.
waiting for this to pull back up to the
Up to the
619
61.
or the
Yeah.
88, and I'm going to
Yeah. And
start
then
selling it
push
out.
down.
Just if I sell it out and it doesn't work, I'll wait till it pulls back up, sell it out
Okay.
again, so on and so forth.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, because of the okay. I'm just a bit nervous on the JPYs at the moment. I don't know whether they'll push up and break the highs. I mean, JPY got a bit of strength. You can see that by the push down, but it's like I think it's short lived. And we'll see. This could be the swing high, and it could just pull up and then drop itself right out. But I'm just not comfortable at the moment with them. All right, NU again, that's pushing back up. We're looking at this being the swing high and then dropping back down again, Tom. But Yeah, I'm not that comfortable at the moment. Right. Singapore Japanese yen, which I'm in. I think this will push up, like we've got that. I think it'll push up to break the top. We'll see on the daily, it's just sort of sitting and it's going red, going green. We're just in that limbo. All right. USDs, UCAD, I've kept right away from. Just, I'm not. It sort of bounced across the bottom, created a higher low, pulled up. Maybe this is a direction change. Got a wick on that last brick. It might just come back down to the trend bar here, like there as well, then gives gold, then push back up. Are you going to enter this trade, Tom, at all? Yeah.
Yes, I'm just waiting for this move to complete
Yeah.
because we have a higher low on the higher time frame.
Mm-hmm.
We just got a gold bar. This is the
Mm-hmm.
push. What we're seeing now is the pullback into the gold bar that's going to create the wick on the higher time frame. So I'm going to watch the higher time frame brick. When it turns and it shows me that wick on the higher time frame, I'll look at entering the trade on the buys up out of the 618.
You've got higher time frame on the Renko, have you? Like a daily?
Yes. So I
Yeah,
mark out
okay.
my week. I mark out
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
weekly information,
Yeah.
scale it down to the daily information, and then
Yeah.
trade off the
And
two
come back
hour.
to 2 hour. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Yeah, I think
So
this will
yes, I'm
bottom
looking
back
for
out.
this to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all the way back to the 88, and then
Mm-hmm.
I'm buying it out.
Yeah, okay. Audio USD CHF. Yeah, push two. Yeah. This is potentially the swing low here. It didn't break that though, but I think it will come up and do that now. Maybe up to around here. Oh yeah, USD JPY. I'll keep away from that as well. That's good because it came back down. Let's see if it breaks that. I think this will buy back up. Get a nice push and then do this pullback here. Just going sideways. What's that one? That one's, oh, gee, the brick's back on Monday. Okay, so with this going sideways there, it really hasn't moved very far. What's any news coming up? No. No. Wait for that one. It's pretty dormant. Okay, USD Singapore. It didn't come up to the trend bar. Just dropped back off. Okay, let's wait for a gold bar before I buy back up. And gold is also just sitting around. Yeah, it's a Monday brick. Maybe it's waiting for next week. And there's actually not a lot of news. It's only like, oh, well, maybe it's British pound and a few other bits and pieces. Silver is also, well, pushed back up. And Bitcoin sitting at 115. Look at those massive, big, yellow, thin ones and a really big one here. Don't see any correlation, but anyway. And oil, wow, dropped back down to 63. You got two uncompleted rigs. Oh,
It's moving quick.
yeah, yeah. Your OPEC says they're going to production. So the news last night, they were saying like, oh, I think there's going to be some um, news about Ukraine and Russia, and then all of a sudden everyone will be able to get Russian oil. They'll pull off the sanctions. I can't see that happening, but anyway, that was some of the word on the street. So that's actually quite a drop.
Hey,
It's in. It's
just a
interesting
side
because
note here.
yeah.
Sorry about that, Brian. But your fib needs to be reversed. It's backwards.
Oh yeah, that's right.
See, you're short on the daily,
Yeah,
so you should be looking for sells.
yeah. Looking for that's right. Oh, it is reversed, so let's go put it back. Yeah.
So that's your first push.
Yeah. Yeah, that's going to do a pullback.
So no matter where that stops, make sure you move your fib down.
Yeah. Well, we don't know yet. I mean, I can move it, but these are not completed bricks yet. So keep pushing until it pulls back to there and then drop off potentially or break through. Okay.
Well, no, wherever you get your first gold bar,
Here.
yeah, that's where you
Yeah,
move
then
your
I'll
fib.
move it. Yeah, then I'll move it. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
That's what I
okay.
said. I got to wait for it to complete. Yeah, I'll give it to it anyway. It's interesting because they've just sort of bumped up the prices at the Bowser here because of this push up, and now it's dropping off. So we're sort of like weeks behind or a week or more behind the prices. Hopefully it pushes back down again. I had to fill up yesterday. Yeah. Right. So how's the EA Empire going? I watched that Petco one where he's talking about having to diversify across different EAs with because he was talking about the sharpshooter fiasco or whatever.
Right, yeah.
And saying and also talking about dropping down his overall account stop on it. But he's
Yeah,
quite
that's
particular. Yeah.
sorry, go on, Brian, you were saying.
I was just going to say he's quite particular about saying that having a number of different EAs and having them across, if one goes and loses a bit, then the others will sort of make up to a certain extent. So that's your sort of strategy that you're following at the moment.
Well, that's what I'm trying to get to, yeah. So I've got quite a number of them now. I'm getting ready to add gold in there, which I've still not had a chance to set up. Um, the setting up of it, I was reading the manual for setting up. You have to close any other MT4 or MT5s you got open. So you effectively press a button on it and it does it all. So it's quite clever the setup. But you've got to close others. So I've got trays running on other
Right.
MT4s and things. I don't want to close
Yeah,
them.
but if they're running on a different, you mean the ones that are running on that one server?
Correct, yeah, on the VPS.
Yeah.
That
So if you,
VPS.
oh, sorry, on the VPS, yeah. So, but if
Yeah.
you've got runs running on another VPS, they don't matter.
Oh no, they don't matter. No, no, running on a
No,
different
it's only
VPS.
what's running on that one VPS
Yeah.
system that it can. Okay.
So yeah, I need to set that up. I'm certainly was thinking quite a bit about the stop losses on sharpshoots, and I definitely think at the moment I've left them. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to it just makes absolute sense to have it at, and I say there's this chap in the Discord. He's got his at 7.5%. He's running the
Yeah.
medium settings
Yeah.
7.5.
Yeah.
Um,
You're on medium as well, though, aren't you?
yeah, but I've actually left it on the default medium stop
Uh-huh.
loss. It's 17 and a half.
Yeah. No, no, no.
Um,
Change that. I would.
yeah, yeah. Because when when it went wrong, you know, it just hit everybody's stops. It didn't matter where it was. It just
Yeah.
ploughed through everybody's stop losses, whether you had the
Yeah.
default, you had the high
Yeah.
risk, medium risk, whatever it was, it just bang, it
Yeah.
just hit them all. So, um, it just meant the bigger the stop loss, the more you lost, as stating the obvious. But until then, you'd had sort of months or maybe a couple of years or whatever of not exceeding sort of 4 or 5 being the worst it ever got to. So I suppose what I'm saying is that all the users have built up, subject to whether you're on medium or high risk, have built up the same profit over that period of time.
Yeah.
But the chap who set his stop loss a bit tighter than the default, he's taken a much smaller loss than everybody else, and he will
Yeah.
recover that loss quite quickly.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
those who lost 35%, it's going to take him a year to get that back. But he's going to be back so 3 months or whatever it might be.
Mm. Mm.
So it just makes absolute sense. That
And
so
if the market goes crazy within the next 12 months and they're trying and then they'll lose again.
yeah, yeah,
They'll be further behind. Because you
yeah.
don't know. There is no formula
No,
to
it,
understand
it could
when
happen
it will do
tomorrow.
that.
Could happen
Yeah.
tomorrow. Could happen the day after. Could be next week. It could be in two
Yeah.
years' time.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah. Yeah.
But its record suggests it is rare. So
Yeah.
a good chance you could have another year of another 12 months consecutive profit before it's a problem again. That could very well be the how it turns out. But I think he's bringing updated versions out in very soon. I think Ryan working on some updates. It'll be interesting to see what
With probably lower stops on them.
I fully expect to be something around stop losses. He's gonna sort of refine or whatever. So
Yeah. I think I'd be changing if it was me. I'd be changing those stops
yeah,
ASAP.
yeah. So on my live account, I go to the medium and the 7.5%. On the iPhones, I'm keeping it on high risk at the minute because I want to have a go at just trying to build up the profit a bit quicker.
Oh, you
Uh,
on your iPhones, you've actually got it on a high risk setting.
high risk.
Wow.
That's what I'm thinking. Just let it build up a little bit quicker, and
Yeah. But
then reduce.
high risk, but with a lower
Yeah,
stop.
then sort of reduce it to medium risk with sort of with a lower stop. Just give it a chance to just boost it up a bit, really. I mean,
Yeah, okay.
what I'm then looking for to do with those is build up some profit and then use some of that to buy another iPhone's account, another one, and then
Hmm.
maybe again and again. You can have a portfolio of iPhone accounts with different EAs running on those. So
Mm.
very interesting. Interesting to see where I get to with those.
Yeah,
But yeah,
well, you're further down the track and you've trialed out a couple of things and
yeah,
it's actually for it to do what it did, it has given you insight in because if you didn't, then you would potentially have a whole lot of accounts set at 17 or 35 or whatever.
Yeah. So, yeah, one I never really mentioned much, FX Eternals, that's the one on USD CAD. That's now 4% up. I've had no drawdown issues with that, interestingly. I never really
FOREX
mentioned
Eternals, it's called.
FX Eternals, yeah. It was the one on USD CAD. I think I did tell you about it. It was one of the first ones they opened.
Oh,
But it's just been quietly doing its thing. No dramas. It was on the EA Academy website, so I bought it through a link on there. But that's been running a couple of months now, and
yeah.
no,
What sort of price was that one?
very undramatic, just ticking along nicely. I think it was one of the cheaper ones. That's probably why I bought it, really, at the time. I can't remember. It wasn't like $600 or anything. It was. So that's just been ticking along really nice. I've got that on medium risk. Again, I may sort of build up the profit a bit and then move it to low risk.
FX Fortnite. Hang on a minute. I'll just get out of there. Let me just hang on 1 second. Just share. Yeah. So this is the FX Fortnite. You've got that one, haven't you? That was on.
That's
On.
the Euro CHF.
Yeah. Have you got this one or the top 10?
So robots, FOREX robots. Where are we?
Yeah, Wacky said it was expensive.
FX Eternals EA. So on
FX Eternals.
scroll down to the bottom. There we go.
Yeah.
FX Eternals, yeah.
Automatic trader on steroids.
Yeah.
Diamonds. Oh, so these are the only ones that they're. Oh, this is the Happy Forex ones, which has got all of the.
Yeah.
Got the thing I want. King Robot, Trade
I mean, just click
Explorer.
on the FX terminals and let's see what price it's at the minute. There might have been an offer on it, which might have tempted me at the time.
Is that open? No, they. FX Eternals. Uh, yeah. Something in 2 years, whatever.
Click on Get It Here. I think there's a button
Oh
there.
yeah, we got to do that. All right, yeah, you got to do that.
See what price comes up.
Ding, ding. It's not done. No. Oh, here we go. It's coming. $99.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. I think that maybe was for one license. I can't remember. I think I paid a bit more. I think I paid 199 and got the number of
Oh, here we
licenses.
go.
Yeah.
149. 3 licenses.
Yeah, I think that's what I did. Yeah. 149, 3 licenses.
Yeah.
I mean, I shouldn't buy it just based because it's cheap, but I thought, it's not
Well,
expensive.
but you said it's already up 4% over a couple of months.
Yeah, and it's on the site, so
Yeah.
trades on the 4 hour. It's quite unusual.
Oh, yeah.
It's not aggressive, sort of opening trades. It's not like
It
sharp.
only, what did you say it trades?
USD CAD
Okay.
on the 4 hour time frame.
Redefine set EA, free updates, 100% automatic. Yeah. Okay. Easy.
So,
And then that's that. And this one was this Fortnite one.
Yeah, that's a CHF, Euro CHF.
Yeah, and that's been okay too.
Yeah.
They all go through the same process. Come on. God, they're slow. Oh, yeah, they're using the same. Okay. Where is it? A high risk, middle. Okay. That's the one that you had on high risk to start with.
Yeah, that's right.
Ah, yeah. So here,
Hey,
yeah,
I
bro,
think I
gold
paid
here.
I think I paid 199 for two accounts on
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah. But you're only running one.
At the moment, yeah. But I think I may stick that on my main, just shove that on my main trading account. It's on the low
Yeah, but this
risk.
has a
It's quite a quiet, on the
yeah,
low risk.
but it
It's a very
also has
slow.
though quite a drawdown though, so it's no good on iPhones.
No,
Yeah, okay. So a lot of these are there. Okay. And then you had what's his name's not there? Um, uh, Sharpshooter.
I think it's yeah. Was it on that?
It's not in there.
Uh, Scroll back up, click on packages, trading robots,
That one?
and then third party EA packs.
Oh, it's under that, is it?
But it was just to see whether they've pulled it after they. Oh yeah, it's still on there. Sharpshooter. So I've got sharpshooter. I've got dark algo. I've got happy gold. So I've got a few of those.
Oh, this is some other. But you can buy each one of them individually, though.
Yeah, you can. Yes. So
I mean,
individually, I've
this.
got sharpshooter. Individually, I've got dark algo.
Yeah, yeah. But where did you get onto them from?
Well, I think you can click on them individually as well. So if you just click on sharpshooter, just
Oh, right. Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Takes you to there. Okay.
yeah. And he's offering 30% off at the minute. Yeah, after last week.
Okay. Okay. Promo. Yeah. Responsible for
Is there a link to his live
it. It will be.
live
Yeah.
yeah live
Trading
trade
results
results?
there.
Yeah, there we go. See that big drop there? You can see there on the
Yeah.
chat. You can see where it's crashed.
Yeah. Come on. Get out of there. Yeah, there.
It's still
And then
dramatic,
it's
isn't it? So
then
after
it's trying to recover.
I mean, you can see how steady it's been for so long. I mean, that's
Yeah.
June 22
June 22. Yeah, I know.
with just small sort of drawdowns and things, and then bang, it's just
But they're all, I think we've talked about this, they're all likely to do that.
at some point, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, and then this is the Discord group.
Yeah.
Mining backtest results. Yeah, good, lovely. Yeah, you got this backtest. It looks real good. Then it
Well, at least he has a live feed on my FX book.
impossible to fail.
Uh,
Look at it.
with a question mark, after it.
Yeah.
He's posing that as a.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you've got to stick.
Okay.
I think you've got to stick with him. It's got a good strategy in there. There'll be some updates.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all scalped and it's
Yeah.
right. Well,
I
I like
bought it,
this.
so it's a
I'm going to
lifetime.
look at this. I'm going to look at this. Oh, how much was that? How much was that one? The sharpshooter. Okay, so you're going individually. Where
Yeah,
was the
there we go,
price?
497
Is it?
sharpshooter.
Where?
But there'll be 30% off that.
Where's the? Oh yeah,
There we
497.
go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Buy now.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And
yeah,
then
yeah.
you put that promo code in.
Oh,
Says
do you?
screen now. You get the 30% off.
Oh, it's going there. I'm going to
I think
wait.
30 off, I think was the promo code, I think.
Yeah, up the top in there. Yeah.
Yeah. They do work those codes and
Losses are unavoidable. It's how we come out of them that matters.
recently some took a loss. For real losses, running a limited time 30% off coupon code while our accounts recover.
Where's the? I don't know where the coupon is, but anyway.
Just type it 30 off 30.
Oh, is that what it says, does it? Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
I can't see it because this thing's in the way.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 30 off. Sorry. Yeah, my screen share's in the way. Okay, no worries.
I mean, I got 25 off. It was when I bought it, it said 15 off there, but I know it had been 25 off a couple of
Yeah,
weeks.
okay.
Yeah, so I
It
just
only
typed
gives you a single one though, doesn't it?
so I just typed 25 off and it gave me the 25. Off. Even though we'd stopped that offer, the code was still working.
Yeah, it can work on 30 to 1 leverage as well.
So yeah, in three
Okay.
years, on 4% until last week's
Yeah, 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 yeah,
crash. So
yeah.
Where's that advertised?
I hear where stop loss in 3 years was only -4. It just says there.
No, I mean where he lost that 17%. He's not including that in the little details.
No, no, no. Why would you do?
Yeah,
Why would you do that?
we're gonna
It's
it's
filter
there
in some of
though.
that,
It's there
it
though. It's
is
on the
here
line.
though. It is here.
right?
He is upfront about it,
Yeah, but
but he hasn't
so
changed his
updated.
website.
No, he's not changed his website.
No.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's after 6. I got to go. Sorry, guys. But yeah. So that's there's that, and then there's packages. Rightio. All right, top 10 robot app packs.
Well,
Just
that
like
one,
that.
they sort of update that. I think every Sunday they review them and they may update it. So they may take one out and put another one in based on the
Yeah, based upon current
performance.
situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you get like 10 robots in one pack. It's
Yeah.
too
Yeah. We'll
complicated for
see.
me, that.
Yeah, go and grab each one. Prop firm robots app. I don't know what that is.
There's so much of it out there. So much. So many people.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
This is the best site I've found so far that actually
Yeah, yeah.
test
Oh,
them.
here we go. Oh, that's why they're indifferent. Ah, here we go.
I think
Oh, these are ones that, yeah, yeah, yeah. Prop EA. Oh, developed by EA Academy. It's prop firm robots. What's in there? Yeah. No. Oh God, no, that's not. Oh, they just got to show up the pictures. Okay, doesn't tell you what's in there though. Jiggle pedal 20 prop from challenge funded or live account. It's not telling you anything here. I don't know what. Oh, it's takes you to that. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to have a better look at that. Yeah, I don't know. All right. Better off have a look around. This one. Okay. Top 10 robo outlets like okay. Doesn't tell you what they are. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. That'll be enough for today. I think I'll go get going. Sorry.
So
Okay.
we'll see you on Sunday.
Yes.
Well, you're
Yeah.
Monday.
Plan two.
Okay.
See you next week.
All right. Take it easy. Thanks a lot. I'll have a look at a
Take
few
care,
more of
guys.
these over the weekend.
See you.
See you
Bye.
later.